Hey all you viewers of the Maileah, how we doing today? That's right, we got something cool from CJRB back on the channel. And I know they give you that weird little nomenclature there, but it's the Maileah? Yeah. I don't know, can't find it anywhere around there, but still. Alright, so I wanted something completely different, okay? And yeah, that scale, no it's not glow in the dark, it's, ready guys, one time for Doc P, Jade. I decided to go out and get a Jade scaled blade just to do kind of like a tribute video to someone that I've considered a mentor for a while on his reviews. Jade is like his kryptonite. So why not do one with Jade? Just to have a little fun at his expense. Love you, Doc. You're an awesome dude. Keep kicking ass, man. Alright. Hey, let's move you out of the way. It is really, really small. It's not going to scare the normal people who don't carry blades. It really shouldn't, because it's seriously small. But still, let's get into the stats like we usually do and all the fun stuff. Now, it's got an overall length of about 5.50. The blade is about 2.375 with a cutting edge of about 2.25. It closed, you're looking at about 3.125, and it has a very, very minor weight to it of 2.27 ounces. Now, it is done in the Warncliffe style with a plain edge and a flat grind. The blade steel on here is that Alfa Romeo Romeo Papa Mike 9 steel. Basically, it excels in corrosion resistance and hardness. It's kind of like a powdered steel combining the best, if I understand this correctly, between like 1095 stainless and D2 steel. So, there you go. Now, it has a bead blast finish to it, with a stainless steel frame and a liner lock. Now, I do like the G10 scales. Like I said, they are Jade. And yeah, this thing is so pathetically small. Now, it does have a dual thumb stud open, but I'll be honest with you, I've had more success kind of treating it a bit as like a pull or a bit of a front flipper. So, there you go. Now, they do say it has a ceramic ball bearing in here, and I'm like, it's so tiny, why would you do that? But still, just my opinion. Now, there are two ways to carry it, left-hand style, left and right-hand carry tip up. I swear to God I can talk today. And yes, in case you're curious, it is made in China. Alright, sorry, I spaced out there for a moment because I just filmed a different review and I was curious if I put the pricing in there. But still, that's just me. Alright, let's do some cut tests. Now, we usually only do 3. And why do we do these 3? Take a look right up there. You're going to see a card for why do these cut tests. First up, heavy duty stock paper. Not bad. Okay. I like it. Not bad for a curly Q right out the gate. Big reason why I try to get those curly Qs is anybody can just grab a blade and go sharp. But if you drag it across nice and slow at that same angle, that paper should start to curl back in on itself, just like that. That way it's going to show you there's no pitch, chips, jimping, problems, anything like that. So, yeah. Hardly any snowfall on the blade. Alright, cool. Now, paracord. Pull test. Yeah, right through it, no problem. Slice. Pretty good. And of course, our friend, Mr. Ratchet Strap. Yeah, right through. Okay, take a look at the blade like we usually do. Yeah, I can see some of the ratchet strap on there, but that's about it. Okay, so I did the homework and all the fun stuff on this guy on October 5th, 2021, and it's currently October 12th, 2021. I found it on Amazon, CJRB, which is actually Artisan Cutlery, and Blade HQ. On Blade HQ, this one is $34.95, but it was out of stock at that point. On Artisan Cutlery, $45.69. And on Amazon, it's $35.99. It is Prime 1-day eligible. Both on Artisan Cutlery and Blade HQ, it has yet to be reviewed. Now, this version I can't say it had these many reviews because there's different scales, and we know that Amazon loves to hump everything together in one big review pile. So the Maileah has been reviewed 769 times on Amazon for a 4.5 out of 5-star rating. Whoo boy. Alright, now we are at the most favorite part of the video for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Do you think this guy is a nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? I got it as kind of a tribute video to Doc P. I'm really not huge on the JADE scales. It may end up as a giveaway one day. Or I don't know, I may pass it on to my daughters because I know that the cuteness factor has been eyeballing it thinking it's cute. So yes, Daddy has to hide a blade from his little daughter. Go figure, right? Alrighty guys, now if I've ever made you smile, ever made you laugh, made you cringe, made you do anything during the video, please hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to help trigger that algorithm and get this insanity out there to other people. We're kind of growing, but we can always use more help, and triggering that algorithm is always a good way. Okay, now, for you first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say, hey, thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know you've got lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful that you chose my video. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question's why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below in the comment section, and let's see what we can do to change the course of history of this channel. You never know what you may suggest that may end up becoming a mega hit, right? Okay, so after you've done all that stuff, and trust me, I know I'm asking a lot, but it's free. Take a look right down there in that corner. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. See, I make it easy. One click, easy access. Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, seriously, I got one more thing to ask for me. Seriously, I do. Destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, 2 will be popping up right about here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing option for you. But there we go, guys, my quick tabletop look at the CJRB Maileah blade. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day, a safe day, and I'll see all of you in our very next video.